One of the most powerful features within PPC Campaign Generator is its ability to group keywords. There's a lot of keyword grouping options. So after step 1, after you've generated your keywords, or if you've simply copied and pasted a keyword list into the program, like so, remove duplicates, you have this keyword list here. You can transfer it to this area of the program, which is the Grouper tab. So the goal now is to group our keywords into groups. If we think about how we would want to group it, we could group it manually, automatically, or simply analyze the density and help us come up with other manual groups. So let me show you a real quick example. So if we're sitting here and we're like, I want to group a keyword group around, let's say, software, we can do that. We just simply type in software, and we could hit enter on our keyboard, and it removed all the software keywords, put them on the Groups tab, and now we can see keywords that belong to the software group. And now we can go back to the Grouper tab if we want and just think of more ways to group keywords manually. Another awesome feature is this Analyze button. It'll analyze the keyword density of your keyword list, and it'll give you keyword grouping options. So if we look at this and say advertising, let's make a group called advertising. We could right click it, hit create groups, and we can see advertising was created. And what's nice is you keep doing this process, your keyword list keeps getting smaller and smaller as you migrate them from the Grouper tab to the Groups tab into groups. So it's a very efficient process. You can also use this keyword grouper, which has an automatic keyword grouping function built into it with a lot of settings. There's so many settings here, I can't possibly cover it in this video, but you can group based on frequency, you can group using 3 different grouping methods, you can group each keyword into its own group if you want to, and have different match types, like broad, modified broad, phrase, exact. You can even merge singular and plural. You can even set a minimum threshold for the minimum number of keywords per group. So there's a lot of settings here, and I won't go into that, but it's really as simple as clicking it, create group. You can analyze it over and over again, and the goal is to migrate all your keywords from here to here, and it's very easy to use. You can also use this filter down here at the bottom. We can say, show me everything that contains Yahoo, Google, Facebook. Those are brand terms. So let's just say, show me everything that contains those strings. So here's all the keywords that contain those strings. And let's say we didn't want to have branded keywords in our keyword list. We can hit delete and show all, and now our keyword list does not contain Facebook anymore. So real easy to use, very powerful. You can even identify negative keywords. So if we hit this Analyze button and let's say we scroll down and we see Wiki, we don't want Wiki as a keyword, so let's just add it as a negative. You can see Wiki gets added down here. So it's a nice way to quickly find and identify negative keywords you know you don't want to bid on. You can also export the keyword density analysis in Excel or in any other format that you want. So that's essentially the keyword grouper.